Orderly Wise 3000, Book 3. Lesson 7. Abracadabra. Have you ever watched someone doing magic tricks? Have you watched that you could do some too? Would you like to discover how they are done? The secret is simple and can be told in just 3 words. Practice, practice, practice. Before you try magic tricks that follow, here is some advice. Never miss a chance to make those watching you laugh. Then people are laughing, then less likely to follow what your hands are doing. Now here are 3 tricks that anyone can do, with a little practice of course. First, let's learn how to make a coin disappear by magic. You need 2 sheets of white paper and a transparent drinking glass. You also need a handkerchief and a coin. Take one of these sheets of paper and place the glass upside down over it. Draw a circle around the limb. Cut around the little you have drawn. Then glue the paper circle to the limb of the glass. Now you are ready. Place the coin on the other sheet of the white paper with the glass next to it. No one sees the paper circle you have glued to the limb. All they see is an empty glass resting on the piece of paper. Keep talking as you to each step. So no one thinks to ask to see the glass. Now here is a card trick, sure to mystery those who watch you do it. Take a desk of the cards and remove the 4 jacks. Fan them out and hold them up. Everyone sees you holding up 4 jacks. Actually, you're holding up 8 cards, not 4. You have hidden 4 ambitional cards behind the jack that is close to you as you hold them up. There can be any cards. Keeping the 4 extra cards hidden is what it takes practice. Now bring 8 cards together. Place them face down on the top of the desk. Without letting anyone see their faces, pick up the top 4 cards. Place these cards anywhere in the middle of the desk. Say some magic words. Then one by one, lift the top 4 cards. Each one is a jack that its same strange way has made its way from the middle of the desk to the top. The third and last tricks, practice and a good memory. Begin by asking on your left to couple up a $1 bill and throw it to you. Catch the bill and without looking at it, throw what seems to be the bill to the person on your right. You ask them to unfold it. Have them check as you call out the number printed on the $1 bill. Then you do this correctly. People are amazed. Yet the trick is quite simple. You have your own $1 bill and you memorize the number printed on it. Before you begin the trick, you keep the crushed $1 bill hidden in your hand. You catch the $1 bill thrown to you, but it is your own $1 bill which was hidden in your hand that you throw for someone to catch. Be sure you practice catching and throwing of the dollar bill before you try it in the front of the people. You end your trick by saying to the person who threw the dollar bill, "Thank you for helping me." Then you profuse and add one more thing. The gentleman or lady over the one you owns you $1. This usually gets a laugh. Take some time to practice these and other magic tricks. You will be amazing your friends and your family with your own magic act in no time. Good luck and remember, abracadabra.